Jamaica, a vibrant island country in the Caribbean Sea, is home to some of the richest families who have made significant contributions to the nation's economy and society. These families have amassed great wealth and influence through various industries and endeavors. So in this video, we are going to discuss the richest families in Jamaica. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 8. Joseph John Issa's family. Joseph John Issa is a Jamaican businessman and philanthropist. Joseph John Issa is a Jamaican businessman and philanthropist, best known as the founder of Cool Group, which comprises over 50 companies. He was born on December 1, 1965 in Kingston, Jamaica. At age 30, Issa's first business venture was a petrol station named Cool Oasis, which was the catalyst for the group becoming the largest Jamaican-owned operator of petrol stations in Jamaica. In 2003, he set up a telephone card distribution business called Cool Card. Number 7. Dr. Blossom O'Mealy Nelson's family. Dr. Blossom O'Mealy Nelson is a prominent figure in the medical field in Jamaica. Number 6. Paula Kerr Jarrett's family. Paula Kerr Jarrett is an attorney, philanthropist, and former politician. She is known for spearheading the project to redevelop Montego Bay, which includes the establishment of a university, homes, and a technology park. Paula Kerr Jarrett is a notable individual who has been involved in various roles and organizations. Number 5. Wayne Chen's family. Wayne Chen is a Jamaican businessman and entrepreneur. He is the founder and chairman of Super Clubs, a Caribbean hotel and resort chain. Number 4. Gordon Butch Stewart's family. Gordon Butch Stewart was a Jamaican hotelier and businessman who founded Sandals Resorts, Beaches Resorts, and their parent company Sandals Resorts International, as well as the ATL Group and its subsidiaries Appliance Traders and the Jamaica Observer. He was born on July 6, 1941, in Kingston, Jamaica, and grew up along the country's north coast, where he came to be known as Butch Gordon Stewart, commonly known as Butch Stewart, is the founder and chairman of Sandals Resorts International, a luxury hotel chain. He is considered one of the wealthiest individuals in Jamaica. Number 3. Chris Blackwell's family. Chris Blackwell is a Jamaican-British former record producer and the founder of Island Records, which is considered one of Britain's great independent labels. He has been credited as the single person most responsible for turning the world onto reggae music and is described as one of the greatest record executives in history. Blackwell discovered and nurtured talent such as Bob Marley, U2, Cat Stevens, Robert Palmer, and Steve Winwood. He grew up in Jamaica, and his interest in music can be traced back to his childhood on the island. Blackwell has also written a memoir called The Islander: My Life in Music and Beyond. Chris Blackwell is a prominent figure in the music industry and the founder of Island Records. He is also involved in the hotel and resort business. He is recognized as one of the wealthiest individuals in Jamaica. Number 2. Joseph M. Matalon's family. Joseph Matalon is the chairman of the ICD Group, a Jamaican investment holding firm. He has been listed on Forbes magazine's Billionaire list for the past 4 years. His net worth is estimated to be $3.6 billion. Matalon has a Bachelor of Science honors degree in economics with specialization in industry and trade. He is not to be confused with Eli Joseph Matalon, OJ, who was a Jamaican businessman and politician representing the People's National Party, BNP. Number 1. Michael Lee Chin's family. With a net worth of $2.6 billion in 2020, Michael Lee Chin is one of the wealthiest individuals in Jamaica. He is known for his success in the financial industry and is the founder of Portland Holdings.
Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing fine now. These are the families and the people who control the economy of Jamaica. The government of Jamaica plays a minor role in controlling the economy. These people actually control the political space and the economical space of Jamaica. And the Prime Minister of Jamaica is always answerable to these families because they dictate what to be done, who becomes who in Jamaica. So let's watch this video, then have a quick discussion at the end of it. Thanks.
A privately held investment company. Michael Lee Chin is a Jamaican-Canadian billionaire businessman, philanthropist, and the chairman and CEO of Portland Holdings Inc., a privately held investment company in Ontario, Canada. He was born on January 3, 1951 in Port Antonio, Jamaica, to Aston Lee and Hyacinth Gloria Chen. Both of his parents were biracial African and Jamaican Chinese.
Number 10. Gary Butch Hendrickson. Gary Butch Hendrickson is a Jamaican businessman and CEO of Continental Baking Company Limited, a subsidiary of Grace Kennedy Group, a diversified investment company with interests in various industries, including food and financial services. Hendrickson's net worth is estimated to be $250 million. Number 9. Paul B. Scott. Paul B. Scott is a Jamaican businessman and founder of Musson Group, a diversified investment company with interests in various industries, including manufacturing, distribution, and financial services. Scott's net worth is estimated to be $300 million. Number 8. Chris Issa. Chris Issa is a Jamaican businessman and founder of Crissa Hotels, a boutique hotel chain with properties in Jamaica and other Caribbean destinations. Issa's net worth is estimated to be $350 million. Number 7. Wayne Chen. Wayne Chen is a Jamaican entrepreneur and founder of Super Clubs Resorts, a luxury resort chain with properties in Jamaica and other Caribbean destinations. Chen's net worth is estimated to be $400 million. Number 6. Adam Stewart. Adam Stewart is a Jamaican businessman and CEO of Sandals Resorts International. He is the son of Gordon Butch Stewart and has been instrumental in expanding the Sandals brand globally. Stewart's net worth is estimated to be $500 million. Number 5. Richard Biles. Richard Biles is a Jamaican banker and businessman. He is the chairman of Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited, a financial services company, and the former CEO of the Jamaica Development Bank. Biles' net worth is estimated to be $600 million. Number 4. Gordon Butch Stewart. Gordon Butch Stewart is a Jamaican businessman and founder of Sandals Resorts International, a luxury resort chain with properties in the Caribbean and beyond. Stewart's net worth is estimated to be $750 million. Number 3. Chris Daring. Chris Daring is a Jamaican entrepreneur and sports administrator. He is the founder of Ready TV, a digital television service provider, and the former CEO of the Jamaica 2007 Cricket World Cup Organizing Committee. Daring's net worth is estimated to be $800 million. Number 2. Joseph Matalon. Joseph Matalon is a Jamaican businessman and philanthropist. He is the chairman of ICD Group, a diversified investment company with interests in real estate, logistics, and financial services. Matalon's net worth is estimated to be $1.3 billion. Number 1. Michael Lee Chin. Michael Lee Chin is a Jamaican-Canadian businessman and investor. He is the founder and chairman of Portland Holdings, a privately held investment company with interests in various industries, including tourism, telecommunications, and financial services. Lee Chin's net worth is estimated to be $2.6 billion, making him the richest man in Jamaica. These men have made their fortunes through hard work, innovation, and entrepreneurship. They have not only created wealth for themselves, but...
Hello, I hope you're all doing fine now. Have you ever known that Jamaica has one of the richest people in the Caribbean? By the way, among the top 10 richest people in the Caribbean, top 4, top 5 come from Jamaica. And we all know that the roles these people play, and we all know the part they play in our economy. Now, it is high time we ask ourselves, what do these people play in Jamaica's economy? We have been seeing so many Jamaicans going abroad looking for jobs. Don't they provide jobs? We know one of these wealthiest families in the world, and in every country they do have these maybe big business empires where so many people are employed. But in this case, I'm asking myself, why are so many Chinese people the one employing the Jamaicans while these people exist in Jamaica? What role do they actually play? Now, we all know that they play a bigger role on deciding who will be the president, who will be the prime minister, who will be who in that country, and they always play a big a role in the shape of the economic stability of a country. Now, these are the people that will decide on who is the best candidate. These are the people who will stash finance or stash money to some of these campaigns so that one of their candidates win and they get equally they get some chances or they get some opportunities in the government, maybe service opportunities or delivery opportunities, all those that they play in the sector. And these families, like the Joseph Jones family in Jamaica, it's one of the biggest families, the wealthiest families, who controls the economy of that country. You might be thinking the government has a say, but it is high time these people actually have a bigger say on whatever is being done in your country. And apart from the Joseph Jones family, we have the Dr. Blossom Omili family, which actually plays a very crucial role in making sure some things run in Jamaica. And not just in Jamaica, we've been seeing this in almost all the countries in the world, where the richest people have the biggest say than the small people in the community. Now, it is actually very, very, very very true to say that however much we go to vote, however much we might like this or that leader, however much we hate on some leaders, but these people will always have a bigger, like 40% of the decision that we make, who becomes who in our society or who becomes who in our country, has always been made by the billionaires, by the millionaires of your countries. So it is high time we actually realize whatever they play in our economy. What do you think these people play? Now, they have big companies, they have big factories, they are even being given contracts by the government, maybe building contract, construction contracts, they are being given a service delivery contracts, they have been given so much contracts because some of them are friends to the Prime Minister or these parliament members, so they always have a say in whatever is being done in your country. But we have had these countries that have had billionaires who help the people. Now go to China. China has China has the biggest numbers of billionaires in the world. And guess what? These billionaires play a crucial role in making sure the Chinese population are being employed. They have big companies, they have big tech companies, they have construction companies where millions of Chinese people are being employed on a monthly basis and yearly on an annual basis. So this actually says a lot. Now go to India. India has so many billionaires, and we have seen how much they play, the role they play to India's economy. Go to US. US is number 3 on the list with the most number of billionaires, and you can see, by the way, how many and how much they have played to the economy. How many people have been employed by Google, Facebook, and these major social platforms that have been put in place by their people, by their billionaires. Go to the UK, the same thing. Now, what do our billionaires play? What role do these rich families play? Now, in most Caribbean and African countries, you realize that they are self-centered. They only value whatever in making sure they become rich and rich. And in some cases, they don't even associate with themselves with the locals. And that's how we fail as countries in the Caribbean and in Africa, because we have self-centered people. I actually acknowledge Dangote of Nigeria, the richest man in Africa, and how he has been playing a crucial role in making sure the youths are being employed in his companies, that the people actually have a say in their own economy. So thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope it resonates and brings some senses to us, that we stop worshipping these families, we stop worshipping politicians, as we suffer. Let's focus on ourselves. We get things better for our own people. Thank you so much.